Hello world, it was raining previously. Looking to go to Terminal 21 for some lunch in the food courts there because I heard they are one of the best ones in the mall. Keep it in mind if you're gonna come in September, August, September to Bangkok, it's probably gonna be raining every single day. By the way, Thai people have a nice cars. This is the Maserati over here, and just over here this is the Rolls Royce, and who knows what else is somewhere there. From Nana you're going to Asok, it's only one station, 16 bahts, and you arrive to Terminal 21. I'm gonna have some lunch, but first of all I need to find some good coffee. Just got my hot cappuccino in Cafe Amazon. Somebody told me it's very good and it's actually very strong. I'm not sure if it's the best, but it's actually very strong and it's pretty good price for it. And literally next to Cafe Amazon is very nice donut shop. It's so tempting. Maybe I'm gonna start with the dessert today. The lower level, and there is the garment market. Let's see what is inside. This is like a food court, you know. This one I should try it, but this is again sweet stuff. I need something solid now. This is level 5, San Francisco Pier 21. I think this is the place where so many food options. Pier 21 with the beautiful San Francisco Bridge. This mall have a, you know, like so many floors with different style of different city from different continents. And this is already the food option. You can see even starting from just the beginning, the satay, the sweet desserts and fruits. And then we have, of course, dishes. Here we go. Basically, you have so much selection of any kind of food everywhere around. You're just walking and there are nice, clean stalls everywhere. You can look 360-degree egg noodles, any kind of food is over here. You can see how the people cooking, which is actually very, very cool indeed. And so much selections of food everywhere around. And this is obviously the section where you can eat. Very nice, clean and quiet, a lot of tables, however seems very busy indeed, and seems like it's full house at 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go now with this fish noodle soup. You have to pay using this card, what I explained. And this is the other menu, what you can have it here. This is the food, and this is how they are cooking. Actually, only 2 people in the staff, but very quick working here. There is like a 7-8 types of the noodles, what you have choose. The sauces, spicy, non-spicy, everything you can find over here, and the guy is doing it. And my food arrived, check this out. This one looks very nice. It costs you 60 baht. You get a fish soup with the noodles and stuff like this one. Now I think it's the time for little dessert. 18 bahts for the bag of the fruits. Like this one, I'm gonna take watermelon this time, 18 baht. You can also buy here fresh coconut for only 35 bahts, or coconut ice cream, which looks like this one. They even have a coffee kiosk with cappuccino for 35 bahts. Definitely I'm gonna have one more coffee now. While waiting for my coffee, let's check this out. How busy is this place? It's 4 p.m. right now and almost everywhere is... all the tables are taken. It's actually very busy, very successful place and highly recommended. Of course, if you are not fancy for the food court, you can have a, you know, barbecue restaurants or any other restaurants deep inside as well. Also, if you are very lucky, you can get a table with the nice view of Bangkok. However, I don't see any tables like this one, but some people are lucky enough. Also, on the lower ground of the Pier 21, ground 4, they have so many nice restaurants where you could have a more fancy lunch or dinner. I'm after lunch, it stopped raining, so happy days. I can explore more of Bangkok. Thank you so much for recommending me this street food because it's really nice and very affordable. Everything is actually in very good prices. It's very clean, which is also very important. So I recommended you if you are in Bangkok to try this out. And also one very important thing, if you wanna buy something there, you have to have a prepaid card. There is, when you enter, there is like a box office where you can buy it, and you cannot use the cash there. So you have to remember just to buy the prepaid card at the beginning. Also, it's very easy to use, the same like a BTS or MRT. I just arrived to Wat Makong MRT station. I tried the Blue Line MRT subway. I got my metro card like this one. It's cost you about 80 baht. And then you have a 100 baht as the credit to use it. The ride cost me 33 baht. Big tip for you, is very worth to use it because if you are traveling like at 4, 5, 6 p.m., the crowd in the MRT stations and everything is so big. It's actually very busy. Definitely there is no shortage of the tuk-tuk drivers in Bangkok. And all of them, they have a loud custom exhausts. Definitely this is like a trend. It's super cool. I want to show you a little bit slower moves today. How's the life is going on in Bangkok. Last time I was making everything very quick. Today will be everything will be very, very slower. I'm gonna tell you, either I was like 2 days ago or even today, a lot of is going on. Also, there is even vegetarian food in Chinatown in Bangkok, something like this. Not sure what is it. I'm not vegetarian. However, I think that's vegetarian gyoza and the pad thai over here. Actually, I think I should try pad thai today. I'm pretty sure about that. Interesting is, as last time I ate over there, I was so busy, but today is so empty. And seems like a trend every day is different. Maybe, I don't know, part of luck or something like that. Either way, wherever I'm traveling, I always like to film the Chinatowns. It's always so bright, colorful, and a lot of, you can see the Bangkok or any other city from totally different perspective. Today I'm gonna start with the pork gyoza. They have a shrimp gyoza, many kind of gyozas. I like gyoza, so I'm gonna try. He's gonna fry it over here. That's my gyoza, is frying just right now. So cool. And this is how does it look live. Always busy. Also, I just realized that next to the gyoza they're having seafood skewers. Looking like this one, very nice indeed. So many nice, beautiful food you can find over here. Here we go, this is my gyoza over here. I don't know if you can watch it properly because of the light. However, I'm gonna show you. Looks like this one. It's really, really good. I think now is the time for me to having this pomegranate juice again. I know, I really like it. Check this out, that's how it looks like. This one is cheaper than last time I bought it, 50 baht, and the lady is cutting the pomegranate like this one. Here we go. It was very hot, I was feeling hot, but definitely I'm feeling much way better with the juice like this one. And this is how's the lady opening the pomegranate. She worked with her daughter. Actually, it's very hard to do it. I just looking at her already for a few minutes. I always wonder also how the streets are so small and it's already like a peak times and the cars passing by, but that's still Asia, right? Yo. Guy over here cooking a pad thai with their portion. I'm not sure if I can film. I think so. He don't mind a little bit. I didn't try it yet, so I want to show you how at least the cooking progress looks like. What is this one? This one also looks pretty nice. That's the pork wonton. I had it last time. Here we go, the durian place. Not a big fan of durians, but I heard as the durians in Thailand are one of the best in the world though. So if you like it, you should definitely consider to try it over here. And the tuk-tuk over here even have a party inside with the music. Oh, business is going well. Here some seafood is grilling, like a king prawns or something like that. Check this out, looking really good. Wow, I'm not a big fan of the seafood, but I really like to watch it and film them. Unbelievable, so cool. More far I go, the environment is changing. They're selling more clothes, less food options, and I think on the other side there's the gold shop. Ah, the big bus come actually right now. Look at this guy actually over here. Crazy. But I have to say that's really dope costume and idea for making some extra income. Really cool indeed. And that was actually no gold shop, but well, product, something Chinese. I don't know actually what is it. Shame on me, however, looks really cool. One thing I have to say, I didn't have the idea when they have such of beautiful cherries over here and the strawberries and the grapes. I don't know, as they are growing here like this. I think so, they're growing here in Thailand. You can let me know. I'm gonna say, seems like fruits in Thailand, they are definitely better than in Indonesia. I'm sorry to say that for my Indonesian viewers, but that's reality. And some of the tuk-tuks like this one over here, definitely they must watch the Tokyo Drift or something, because check this out. Actually the street food in general and the food options and the prices actually also are lower and better and taste better than in Indonesia, so that's the reality. Because I don't know if you realize that yet, I didn't been in McDonald's or any kind of fast foods here, even not in Starbucks, even they have it, but I'm eating street food already for the third day in the row. Street food or the food courts, not even mentioned, as even these oranges here look so good and taste really good. Cheers. In this stall with the seafood, I see so many squids and everything. It's so popular, so many salads. I see people with these salads buying and walking around everywhere on the market. It's very busy anyways all the time. And now check this out, this lobster over here, that's unbelievable. Check this out, I will zoom it a little bit for you. Lady is cooking with including the fish. This one is so cool. And this one's over here as well. Here we go, the fresh ones. Fresh ones. I think these guys are from Poland, the same country where I'm coming from. So beautiful, by the way. That was my very simple video today from about the food in Bangkok. I'm a little bit tired already, have to go home, take a rest, and I will see you tomorrow on next one from Bangkok. I'm gonna be in Thailand for another 2.5 weeks, so stay tuned.